Here in Gaido, Malaysia, we specialise in automotive belts and bearings. We aim to help car owners obtain products that emphasise on originality. Taking much pride in our products, we aim to achieve the highest level of customer satisfaction, and we work tirelessly towards that ambition. Founder of Gaido Malaysia, Mr. Lim Boon Ho, believes that the key to success in business lies in delivering dependable products to the customers, and induces a new standard of excellence in the automotive parts industry to his employees. Gaido Malaysia is fully committed to ensure every single product sold is of top quality and best condition, carefully handled by qualified and experienced personnel with proficiency and professionalism to ensure our customers are getting the best products for their money's worth. Making sure our customers get the best of Gaido, we have our standard operating procedure. Once we have received the orders placed by dealers and customers, our personnel will have the precise ordered items selected and picked out from our inventory. Once the items have been picked out and thoroughly checked, they will go through the packaging stage and will be ready to be loaded and delivered to our dealers and customers nationwide. Once the ordered items have gone through all stages, they are ready to go. Products of Gaido are regularly used and can be found nationwide. From north to south of the peninsula, all the way to Sabah and Sarawak of East Malaysia. Our consumers, ranging from personal car owners and regular taxi drivers, will always choose our products when it comes to replacing car parts, mainly for Gaido's top quality, consistency and originality. It is our main priority here in Gaido, Malaysia, that you, our customers, would definitely be guaranteed with a safe and smooth drive for yourself, your friends and family, and the people around you. Gaido Malaysia, your superior auto solutions.